How to hide online status on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide online status on your Facebook Messenger. Now before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to hide your online status on Facebook Messenger, first make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. So go to your Google Play Store, search for Messenger. After you find Messenger, make sure that it's updated to the latest version. If you see an update button available, tap on update and update your app. After doing that, locate your Messenger app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've logged in into your account, tap on the menu or the three lines at the bottom right. Then go to the settings option. After you're on the settings option, you'll find the activity status. Tap on activity status. And all you have to do is, if this is toggled on, toggle it off. So just tap on until I change it, and tap on pause. And doing that, now people will not be able to see that you're active or that you're online, and you won't be able to see if they are online as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.